we're on. So tell the viewers how you're feeling right now on this trip. I hate hearing my voice, so I'm only going to say it once.
Well, the trip we're doing is a very nice road trip now. It's very what is it? Picturesque. Yeah, that's a very hard word to say. I'm trying to avoid that one. Picturesque, very jungle-like, very Thailand-like. And Bob's doing a wonderful job of driving. Way better than the rest He's concentrating. He's doing very well. Yeah, so what did you say, Scott? 25 minutes to go?
Yeah, 25 minutes and we'll be at the
destination.
And you'd think we're at the waterfall, but no, we're now another 40 or 45 minute walk from there.
Right.
Are you serious?
So Mum,
So yes, Scott.
you had something else to say before I cut off then?
Yeah, you turned it off on me, but now I forget what I was going to say. See,
Brilliant. That was worth turning it back on then, wasn't it?
You can't trust my brain, so...
There you go.
Yeah, no, I forget what I was going to say.
Very good. Alright, we'll say goodbye to the audience.
Goodbye, audience.
Oh Mum,
Yeah.
I've just found a portrait of you. Someone took a photo of you.
Oh, but this is me. This is a photo.
No, look at this photo.
A photo already taken.
It's you. Waterfall.
Finally got here. You had to be a mountain goat to get here.
So Mum, how do you feel right now?
Absolutely wrecked.
here we are. We just finished the walk, and that's my face. Mum, what's your face like?
My face is red.
Aaron, what did you think?
It was fantastic.
No, but the walk.
Yeah, the walk was good.
That was really, really savage.
Good exercise.
But the waterfall was fabulous.
As you've already seen.
It was great. The waterfall was good.
Alright, Bob, what do you think?
Beautiful.
What,
Actually, easier than I thought it was. I really
Did you?
further than that.
what are you lying to the camera for?
No, I'm serious.
If only I had footage of him singing on the way back up.